Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Avantstay, short-term rental specialist, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Avantstay is a short-term rental app focused on providing professionally managed, premium vacation homes for groups, families, and travelers looking for high-quality stays. The platform offers curated properties with hotel-level standards, consistent amenities, and dedicated guest support. It's available on both iOS and Android, allowing users to browse luxury homes, check real-time availability, and manage bookings directly through the app. The app's main feature is its collection of upscale, fully serviced rental homes. Avantstay ensures each property follows strict quality guidelines, making the experience more reliable than traditional peer-to-peer rentals. Guests can explore detailed listings, view high-quality photos, and check amenities like private pools, game rooms, workspace setups, and chef-grade kitchens. The app also supports in-app messaging, digital check-in, and house instructions for a seamless stay. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the consistent luxury feel, professionally cleaned properties, and responsive guest services. The app is particularly popular for group trips, celebrations, and weekend getaways because it offers large, well-equipped homes with modern designs and shared amenities. The booking flow is smooth, and customer support is typically helpful during check-in and throughout the stay. However, there are some drawbacks. Avantstay properties are generally premium-priced, which may not fit budget travelers. Availability can be limited in certain cities or peak seasons. Some users also report occasional issues such as delayed responses during high traffic periods or unexpected service fees added at checkout. As with most rental platforms, the quality of experience can still vary by location. In summary, the Avantstay app may be worth using if you want professionally managed, high-quality vacation homes with consistent standards and strong guest support. However, if you're looking for low-cost stays, flexible host-managed rentals, or last-minute deals, it might not be the most economical option for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.